enjoyed teaching hundreds of people how to ride quad bikes, and then taught myself how to ride a bike after doing a learner course, and I just fell in love with it. Always had an interest in bikes, but I struggled finding that real basic knowledge, so I figured having another person trying to help get that information out there wouldn't be a bad thing. So hopefully you're finding it useful. And then you got people like Moto Jitsu who take things to a way higher level, lots of levels above what I'm doing, and I appreciate all the videos and all that content that he's put out and continues to put out, because it's super helpful and useful, and in my opinion important. So like I was saying, you want to do that practice. It's a good idea to do it before and after you do your course or your test, and either way you look at it, you know, if you want to get better at something, pretty much you got to practice. Probably wouldn't say that practice makes perfect. It's more like good practice makes for good progress kind of thing. I do believe spending time on the bike does improve things, does make you get better, but I also believe that if you do kind of targeted practice and training in specific areas, you're really going to improve in those as well. And it's also on and off the bike, I would argue. So obviously on the bike, you know what that is. That's kind of doing your braking, your U-turns, changing gear, spatial awareness, getting used to the speed, getting used to your bike, all that kind of stuff. I'm thinking, okay, what next? I should probably practice stopping. You know, I'd just find something like a shadow on the ground like this. I'd probably be in first, make it easy for myself. So I'd find a shadow on the ground. I'm like, oh, okay, I got to stop in that shadow. There we go. A bit freaky at first. I do believe that just spending time on the bike, I do believe spending time on the bike does